Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with question number 5, practice set 8.2. So let's start. Your length of a diagonal of a rhombus ABCD are 16 cm and other is 12 cm. Find the side and the perimeter of a rhombus. So let's first draw a rough diagram. Draw a quadrilateral. Draw a quadrilateral ABCD, name as ABCD. All sides of a quadrilateral are congruent. So AB is equals to BC and BC equals to CD and CD is equals to DA. Now draw diagonals of a rhombus, that is AC and diagonal BD. Diagonal of a rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. Okay. Now diagonal AC is given 16 cm and other diagonal is 12 cm is given. So diagonal BD is equals to 12 cm. So here we have to find the side of a rhombus and a perimeter of a rhombus. So here segment AC is equals to 16 cm and segment BD is equals to 12 cm. And both segments are diagonals of a rhombus. Length of AC is equals to 16 cm is given. And length of BD is equals to 12 cm is given. Diagonal bisect each other and forms a 90-degree angle. So triangle AOD is equals to 90-degree, measure angle AOD is equals to 90-degree. Because diagonal bisect each other and they are perpendicular to each other. So measure angle AOD is a right angle triangle. So length of AO is half of AC. So length of AO is equals to 8 cm. Length of AO is equals to half of AC. Length of AC. So length of AO is equals to 8 cm, half of 16, that is 8. Two ones are 2 and 2 eights are 16. So here length of AO is equals to 8 cm. Similarly, we will find the length of OD. So length of OD is equals to half of BD. Length of OD is equals to half of BD. So half of 12 is 6. So half of 12, that is 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. So length of OD is equals to 6. Now, by using Pythagoras theorem, we get the side AD. By using Pythagoras theorem, we will get side AD. So Pythagoras theorem formula is hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square, that is AD, so Pythagoras theorem formula, hypotenuse square, that is AD square, length of AD square is equals to side square, that is AO square, plus side square, that is OD square. Now we have the value of AO and OD, and we have to find the value of AD. So AO is equals to 8 centimeter, that is 8 square, and OD is equals to 6 centimeter, so 6 square. 8 8s are 64 and 6 6 are 36. So length of AD square is equals to 100. Now taking square root on both sides, so length of AD is equals to under root 100. So AD is equals to 100 is a square root of 10. So AD is equals to 10 centimeter. So measure length of AD is equals to 10 centimeter. All sides of a rhombus are congruent. So AD is equals to DC is equals to BC is equals to AB is equals to 10 centimeter. Now, parameter of a rhombus. Parameter of a rhombus. Now, side of a rhombus is equals to 10 centimeter. Now we have to find the parameter. So sum of all four sides is equals to parameter. So how many sides? 4 sides. Now parameter of rhombus is equals to four into side. Side is given, that is 10 centimeter. So 4 multiplied by 10, that is 40 centimeter. Perimeter of rhombus is equals to 4 into side. 4 multiplied by 10. So answer is equals to 40 centimeter. So perimeter of a rhombus ABCD is equals to 40 centimeter. Thank you.